More on the assault case against actor Saif Ali Khan. He is apparently on his way to a police station to be questioned. It is a bailable offence, so it's expected to be a technical arrest, if at all. A South African businessman has alleged that Saif Ali Khan got into an altercation with him and some of his other colleagues last night, and punched him on the nose, and his nose in fact has been fractured. Beverly White spoke to the complainant.
Saif Ali Khan may have a reputation for being one of the more refined actors in Bollywood, but that's an image that's certainly taken a beating, especially last night. And we have with us Mr. Iqbal Sharma and, of course, his father-in-law, who were at the brunt of that, really. Iqbal, first starting with you, what exactly happened? We hear that apparently you were dining out, that Saif's table, and if you could tell us who was at that table, was perhaps making quite a noise, and that didn't really go down well with you. Can you tell us what took place after that?
Well, as I said, we were at the restaurant trying to enjoy a meal. He and his party were at a nearby table as well. And they were also having a good time, I suppose, but they were being very loud. And so we asked the management to please ask them to also be quiet so we could also enjoy our evening. This failed on about 3 occasions at least. And then we decided to go downstairs. And we asked the waiter to bring our remaining food and coffees and things downstairs. In the interim, Saif had gone out and was coming back into the restaurant as we were going down. So as we were going down, he was coming up, we kind of crossed each other, and then he sort of accosted me and called me names and said, why are you complaining? You know, this is not a library. If you want quiet, go to a library. Don't you know who I am, and who do you think you are to lay such a complaint? And we exchanged some words, and then he pushed me. And then my father-in-law came to the assistance to try and intervene so that it doesn't get worse than that. And Saif instead assaulted him and punched him, and then he fell down, and his other 3 friends came in from their table and also joined in. They just came straight in and started just punching and kicking and wailing. I was trying to see if he was okay. He had fallen down, and I don't know how it stopped. And we went down.
Yes, actually, who finally intervened and got it to stop, really?
I have no idea, because there was no security around, no visible security, very few staff in the hotel, in the restaurant. So we went downstairs, and as I was already outside of the restaurant. My father-in-law was still coming out, and this other gentleman, who we've now identified as Shakil Ladak, came down, approached my father-in-law and just punched him on his face and knocked him down. His glasses went flying, and then he ran up the stairs. We then went we tried to phone the police. We couldn't get through on 9100. We then went to the hospital. We were examined, x-rays were done, and then we went to the police station and we filed our report over there.
Absolutely. And obviously, I think the most shocking aspect of this has actually been perhaps the assault on you, sir, a senior citizen. I think initially we were just hearing about the assault on your son-in-law, but what really, I mean, obviously this must have taken you completely by surprise, because initially you weren't even really involved in the altercation, from what I understand, right?
No, I was just standing next to him, and him and Saif were having it out, you know, arguing, and the next thing, Saif pushed him hard, and that's when I put my hand out on Saif and tried to block him from going any further. And next thing, he gives me a sliding blow on my jaw, and that's when I went backwards. And in the meantime, his mates came behind him. The place was very narrow, and they started raining blows from behind him. And I fell down, but I'm not very well. I've lost a lot of muscle because of my illness, and I couldn't get up in a hurry, you know. And I was scared that I was going to be trampled by all these guys. There were lots of people there.
How are you feeling, though? So, I mean, your injuries are quite obvious, but how are you feeling at the moment?
No, I'm feeling okay now. I've got pains, my jaw, my back, my elbow, but otherwise I'm okay.
Okay. And obviously you all have been in touch with the police, and we all know that it's a bailable offence, which is really against Saif Ali Khan right now. Are you all disappointed with that fact? Because, you know, bailable offence, do you think it means he gets off lighter, perhaps?
Well, I think getting on and off will be determined by the courts. We have to follow the process of the law. We couldn't wish for a more serious attack, but certainly he's committed a crime, and he will have to, face the music, as it were.
Yeah.
So we will pursue the full extent of the law, and we will also look at civil case options.
Okay. And also, sir, obviously, like, you're an NRI, from what I understand. How exactly are you going to really pursue this? Because will it be difficult for you to continue with this, and are you going to pursue it anyway?
No, we'll pursue it. I come to India very often, and I can be here at the drop of a hat if required to be. This I will not rest. So I will travel if I need to. It's not an issue for me.
Okay. And obviously the obvious question that everybody wants to ask is the fact that, were they in some way inebriated when this attack took place? Or because it seems that it's almost like there doesn't seem to be any logic to it whatsoever. So, sir, did you notice anything? Did you notice that they were perhaps inebriated or under the influence of something?
Well, if they were very, very loud, very rowdy, and just giggling, Now, ordinary people wouldn't behave like that, unless they've probably had something. But I can't vouch for that, I can't say definitely they were inebriated.
Okay.
But it appeared so,
The NDTV News app had redefined the entire genre. Now, another market beater. It's already hit #1.
NDTV Profit, India's #1 finance app. Download free at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Live stream of NDTV Profit, market news, and your easy-to-manage portfolio. Download now, ndtvprofit.com/apps.